Good day children, my name is Mahesh, I am the science teacher. Today we discuss about Newton's law of motion, okay. So what is the Newton's law of motion? Who is the discoverer of the Newton's first law, second law, third law? One of the famous scientists, name is what? Sir Isaac Newton, worked many area of the mathematics and physicians. So which centurion they are? In 16th century they are discovered of the Newton first law, second law and third law. So what is the before the Newton first law? You discuss about the momentum. What is the momentum? Momentum is nothing but what? The product of the mass into velocity is what is called momentum. So momentum is what is the again what is the SI unit of the momentum? Momentum is a meter per second SI unit, and CGS unit. What is the full form of the CGS unit? Centigram second. That is a centimeter per second, that is a momentum CGS unit. Now we discuss about the Newton first law. What is the first law? First law, one more name is a what? Inertia. So what is the first law? The tendency of the body is a rest or motion unless until external force is applied is called what? Newton first law. This is the Newton first law definition. The object at a rest means the rest and object is a motion remains motion constant speed and straight line unless act by on unbalanced force. So this is a definition of the Newton first law. Newton first law example, we kick the ball, football. So what happened when you kick the ball? First is the velocity of the ball is very fast. After certain time the contact with the earth surface, the speed of the ball is decreases is what is called Newton first law. Newton first law, there is one more name is what? Inertia. Inertia is a three types of inertia. Inertia of the motion, inertia of the rest, inertia of the direction. First we discuss about the inertia of the rest. Rest means what? The tendency of the bodies always rest position is what is called inertia of the rest. Means we are example, what is the example here? Example here, suppose this is a one body, I am not applying any force. So what happened here? Body is a rest. Body is a rest is a what? Inertia of the rest. So this is a one example. One more example is the inertia of the motion. The tendency of the body always moving position is what is called Newton inertia of the motion. So in a body is a moving what? One place to another place, moving inertia of the motion. Third point is that inertia of the direction. So what is the definition of the inertia of the direction? The tendency of the body is they moving to particular direction is what is called inertia of the direction. So example is of what? When you observe that take one thread and stone, rotate continuously, and we are release the stone, then what happens? They move to some direction, that we call what? Inertia of the direction. This is a what? This all are definition as Newton first law. Now we discuss about the Newton second law. What is the Newton second law? The rate of change of momentum is a directly proportional to the product of the mass into acceleration is what is called Newton second law. Newton second law, one more formula is what? F is equal to ma. What is the formula? F is equal to ma. What is the F? F is a what? Force. A is a what? Acceleration. What is the acceleration definition? The rate of change of displacement with respect to time is what is called acceleration. SI unit of the Newton second law, meter per second square, and CGS unit is a what? Centimeter per second square. And this is a Newton second law. Newton second law, there are some mathematical expression also. P is equal to ma and m into v. And how to solve that mathematical process we discuss about later. Next one we discuss about the Newton third law. Newton third law we discuss about this is a Newton first law. Example is what? Newton third law. This is a Newton third law. What is a Newton third law? Every action equal to opposite reaction. Okay, this is a Newton third law. So example is given here. You observe a rocket. Rocket is how they are moving. Rocket is moving upward direction, but the gas is burning is a downward direction. Rocket is moving to upward direction, but the rocket is moving upward direction, but gas is moving downward direction. This is a gas is a burning means action, rocket is moving upward, that is what you call reaction. Action, reaction. There is a Newton third law examples. What is Newton second law definitions examples? You observe here, look at here. Here you observe here example of the aerodynamic shapes. So motion result from aerodynamic force. You observe the force can change the size and shape also. Force can change the size and shape also, and the control the speed of the body. Sometimes one speed is a more, sometimes the speed is a less. So we can control by apply the force, we control anything. You change the shape of the shape as well as direction also. So Newton's second law is a very useful day-to-day life also. So we discuss about, this is a discovery of the Newton's law of motions. Yeah, this is an example of the inertia, law of inertias. So you observe that this video, what happened here, how they work, where is the practical use here. So we see the videos. You observe here, look at here everyone. So look at here, this is what happened here. This is Newton's second law is what? The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to net force, applied force. So what happened here? F is equal to ma. So you observe this video, what happened here? So force is a directly proportional to the mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. This is a what? Newton's second law. So where is the application here? Formula is a what? F is equal to ma. And what is the SI unit? Meter per second square. So they given the example here, 10 kg of mass, 5 kg of acceleration. What is the product here? 10 into 5 is how much? 50 Newton. SI unit is a what? Newton. Yeah, meter per second you should call. So this is a scientist picture, Isaac Newton. So this is a what? Some examples they given 50 Newtons. Means what is the product? Mass into acceleration. Newton third law. What is the third law example? Every action equal to opposite reactions. So this is, you observe the swimmers, their hand is moving which direction? Backward directions, and their body is moving forward direction. So this is a hand is a what? Action, and that is we call a reaction. Action, rocket also you can observe, burning of the gas is a downward direction, that is we call the action. Rocket is moving upward direction, that is what? Reaction. Action, reaction. Gun also, you observe a gun here, trigger is moving backward direction, this is what? Action, but bullet is moving what? Forward direction, that is we call what? Reaction. Action, reaction. This is some example of the Newton first law, second law and third law.